From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro against the Swiss franc. The euro has rallied a bit during the course of the trading session on Friday, even breaking above the 0.9650 level. But we are now trying to pull back a bit. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out because, quite frankly, I don't like the Swiss franc at all right now. And I believe that we are trying to do everything we can to get away from the Swiss franc in multiple currencies. This is one that's interesting for me to watch as far as markets go because it is a risk barometer. Right now, it looks like we could go looking to the 0.9775 level, but short term pullbacks are most likely going to be occurring in the short term. And I do think that a lot of traders will be looking at this through the prism of whether or not those end up being value plays. After all, the Swiss franc is offering very little in the way of interest rates, but at the same time, the bond markets in the European Union, especially Germany, are seeing yields crack much higher. And that, of course, means that you get paid to hold this pair, and that's part of what you're seeing here. Whether or not we can continue the momentum remains to be seen. It is worth noting that the euro looks a little tired against the US dollar, so that might be the catalyst for a pullback here. But I'd have to believe that as long as we can stay above the 0.95 level, you have to be looking at this through a prism of a buy on the dips type of market. After all, who wants to pay the swap at the end of every day if you can avoid it, especially when you see the Swiss franc getting smoked against multiple currencies at the same time?